That morning, in a village surrounded by green rice fields, the atmosphere was so peaceful and colorful. The sun slowly rose behind the hills, emitting a soft light that illuminated the vast expanse of rice fields. The morning breeze blew cool, carrying the aroma of wet soil and yellowing rice. In the midst of the calm atmosphere, several female farmers were seen busy in the fields, busy harvesting rice that was ready to be harvested. They wore simple clothes, with woven bamboo hats covering their heads from the scorching sun that was starting to feel warm. Their hands were agile in holding sickles, cutting the rice stalks one by one, and piling them on the side of the field. Small smiles appeared on their faces, although hard work was clearly visible from the sweat dripping down their foreheads, but enthusiasm and happiness were clearly visible in every movement. The sound of the sickle touching the rice stalks, and the dusty footsteps, became the natural music that accompanied them throughout the day. The closeness between them was so thick. Occasionally, light laughter broke out, or casual chatter decorated their togetherness. They helped each other, occasionally whispering or speaking softly to each other. For them, today was not just a day to work, but also an opportunity to enjoy being together with others, celebrating the results of their hard work that they had cared for with great care for months. The yellowing rice is like a symbol of all the efforts they have made. Every harvested stalk is the result of their perseverance, tenacity, and prayers. Tirelessly, they continue to move, with hearts full of gratitude and pride for the results they have achieved. Amidst the silence of the vast rice fields, their work atmosphere is so simple but full of meaning. The blue sky above their heads and the fresh air that envelops their bodies are silent witnesses of a long process that they have gone through. They are not only harvesting rice, but also harvesting sweet memories with the land and nature that have given them life. There are no more beautiful words to describe their happiness than sincere laughter and undying spirit. The blue sky above their heads and the fresh air that envelops their bodies are silent witnesses of a long process that they have gone through. They are not only harvesting rice, but also harvesting sweet memories with the land and nature that have given them life. There are no more beautiful words to describe their happiness than sincere laughter and undying spirit. That day, despite everything going on, simply felt so full. In this village, between the vast rice fields and the spirited female farmers, there was a story deeper than just the rice harvest. A story about life that goes on, about the bond between humans and nature, about hard work that always pays off, and about the happiness found in simplicity.
melu lah ora? Aku melu lah ora? Oh. Ora apa-apa. Wis hafal kok aku.